Good morning, children. Today we are going to perform format printer practicals on computers that are use Microsoft Word. In this Microsoft Word, available features are format printer tools. These format printer tools are used to copy a text format and apply to a other text format. The format printer tools are used to copy the format, text format. These are you can see on computers. Microsoft Words are open, and in this Microsoft Words, two formats are available. There's our first format, and these are second format. These are first text format are different, and second text format are different. First text format are arranged in a particular order, particular set fonts, font size, and alignment is proper. But in second text format are not properly set. In this session we use format printer tools, and this format printer tools, this text format are applied on this text format. This text format are applied on this text format. These are text format copied to another selection. These are copied to another selection. I have copied and to another selection. That's another selection. That's text content are changed. So let's start. First you have typed the matters on the documents. First you have two formats are create on your documents. First format are particularly set, and second format you have normally type, and first text format are applied to the second format. Then use format printer tools. The format printer tools are available on home tab. These are home tabs, and in home tabs clipboard group. These are clipboard groups are available many options. Then we have select format printers. Okay, I have select format printers. When I have click on format printer tools, this arrow are changed on paintbrush. So I have click on this format printer. See here, and I have select these heading lines. That you can see the arrow are changed for a paintbrush. Then I have just dragging on this line. You can see I have only just dragging on these lines. So you can see the format are changed. These formats are applied on this format. Second text format, these are second. This text format are applied on this first text format. So I have select these lines. I have select this line, heading lines. Okay. Then I have click on format printer tools. These heading lines are applied on the second text format. Okay. Then I have select heading lines. Okay. And then click on format printer tools and just dragging on these lines. These lines are change format. You can see the format are changed. So first heading format first heading text format are applied on the second heading text format. So next these paragraphs again we have select. See here, again I have select these paragraphs and click on format printer button. Okay. These first text format are applied on the second text format. Okay. So first you have select this format. Okay, click on the format printer tools and just dragging on these paragraphs. Okay, These arrow are converted into paintbrush tools. Okay, you can see, and you can see this text format are changed. The first text format are applied on the second text format. Okay, so in this format painter tools, shortcut keys are available. When you have copied first text format to a second text format, you use the shortcut key. Suppose I have copied these lines. Okay, I have saved these lines. They use Control Shift C shortcut key. Okay, copy the first text format lines and apply on second text format lines. First text format lines are different, second text format lines are different. These lines are applied on these lines. These text format are applied on the first lines. So I have select these lines and use shortcut key Control Shift V. Control Shift V. You can see these lines are changed. When you have select first text format lines, you have used shortcut key Control Shift C, and these text lines are applied to the second text line. They use another shortcut key, that's our Control Shift V. Okay. Similarly, I have select second lines, and in these second lines use shortcut key Control Shift C, and these text lines are applied on the second format text line. I have select these lines first and use another shortcut key Control Shift V. You can see these lines are changed. Again I have select these lines. Okay, use shortcut key Control Shift C. Okay, and this text format are applied on the other text line format. And then first I have select and use shortcut key Control Shift. You can see the format are changed.